Hi, welcome to the video 22 of our Adobe Premiere Pro Beginner's Guide course. In this video, you're going to learn how to create smooth audio transitions by default that are there in the Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you go to the FX panel and choose the audio transitions, you can see crossfade. In the crossfade, you can only see three things: constant gain, constant power, and exponential fade. So you can apply the transition between any of the two audio clips. Just drag and drop that in between the cutted clips. As you can see here, I added the constant gain. If you click on it in the FX panel, you can customize even more. Like you can increase or decrease the transition time, and even you can change the alignment as well. When it comes to fade, you select whether it is linear or cosine. Linear means it slowly goes down and slowly goes up. When it comes to cosine, it's like sharp things, I can say. Even you can increase or decrease the fade value as well from here. As you can see, when I change any values, here it is changing. So what are the effects I use most of the time is constant power. I use, see, whenever I'm cutting the arrow, like talking head videos, sometimes the pitch is high, sometimes the pitch is low. On that time, this constant power is going to be helpful. Just do a sample recording of yours in front of the camera, then cut the clips. After that, for the cutted clip A and B, you use this constant power and you see the clear differences. Just you only try, you will know it. Next is exponential fade. This I use when I'm ending that particular thing, maybe the music or maybe that particular segment of the video, like that. What it does is it slowly fades out the audio. So if I drag and drop here, as you can see here, so the audio is slowly goes down like this. Let's say like at 0 to slowly minus 20 or 30, like that. Even if you click on it in the, where it is, yeah, in FX panel, you can increase or decrease it. Even the fade value also you can increase or decrease it. So this is how you can add the audio transitions and customize in Premiere Pro, guys. Even I told you in the previous video that you can add the keyframes and customize it as per your liking. That also works here. So you can watch that video. If in case you missed that, you will know more about how to add the keyframes for the audio and how to adjust that. So yeah, that's pretty much about the, what do you say, audio section. So in the next coming videos, what we are going to do is I'm going to give you a glance about color and visual adjustments, like basic correction with the lumetri color panel, then how to import and use the LUTs for quick color grading, then color matching shots for consistency, like you can match the color from one clip to another clip. So these all videos are coming on the way after this video. So with this video, we completed our the audio section. If in case you are having any doubts, feel free to comment me. And soon I'm starting an Instagram page as well, so that you can directly message me. I can help you much better there. Right now, I don't have any account on Instagram, especially for this channel. Just leave a comment. If in case you are watching this video lately, check the description box for all the links. That's it for this video. See you again in the next one.